How to recover a Roblox account without email or phone number. Recovering a Roblox account when you don't have access to the linked email or phone number is challenging but not impossible. Your primary method will be to directly contact Roblox support and provide them with enough information to verify you are the legitimate account owner. Here's the step-by-step process. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Roblox support page. On the support form, you'll need to provide your real name, a contact email address, select the device you usually play Roblox on. Under the type of help category, select hacked or can't log in. For select issue details, choose can't log in, two-step verification, or a similar option that best describes your situation. Even if you don't have two-step verification, this often funnels you to the right team for locked accounts. In the description of issue text box, provide as much detail as possible about your account and why you cannot access it via email or phone. Include your Roblox username or usernames. Clearly state you cannot access the email or phone number linked to the account. Explain why, for example, forgot password for old email, lost phone, email no longer active, any previous email addresses or phone numbers associated with the account, exact dates of creation, even approximate helps, any Robux purchases, specific details about items, badges, or friends on the account, any previous usernames for the account. After submitting the form, Roblox support will review your case. They may send an email to the contact address you provided asking for additional verification.